what time it is, boy.
It's the best life. It's DJ Sabby, the best thing ever.
Hello. How you doing? I'm fine. How are you? What's up?
About Nigerian superstar, I'm gonna keep it, the streets. Her name is Seyi Seyi.
Yellow. Because now you know it's gonna come at you with that name.
You better be scared.
So Sabby decided to tell her like my name from way back home. I'm like, damn.
Do you still remember it?
Siswe.
Yes, babes.
Siswe.
You know, like, if you do not know who Seyi Seyi is, trust me, you don't Google her. Like, Nigerians know her very well. Her fashion game forever lit. Her music is beyond awesome. A song I first introduced South Africa to Seyi Seyi to was Murder She Wrote. That's the one you do with Patarankin.
Patarankin and Shady. Yes, Shady's was an EME.
Yeah.
That was a big one, hey?
That was a big one.
It was actually the single that revolutionized or completely changed the whole structure for me. Like, totally.
Let's introduce you to someone who would say, I've never heard of Seyi Seyi before.
Okay.
Like, let's give them a quick background as to who you are.
Okay, well, I'm a Nigerian international singer, songwriter, signed to Island Records, but I have my own record label too within Africa, Star Girl. I was part of a girl band called From Above, and we were managed by Matthew Knowles. It's just about 6-7 years ago, and we were based in the UK, and we toured with Beyonce and opened up her shows on her I Am 2010 show. Star of our own reality show Breaking From Above on MTV, and I moved to Nigeria a few years ago and just started supporting people like a lot of international acts that came into Nigeria, like Chris Brown, Rick Ross, Mary J. Blige, and then kind of made my name from those support shows, and yeah.
And just started killing it.
Yeah, and then I recorded a song called Murder and released that, and people were like, oh, who's this new girl? Even though I had 2 songs before that. And then I released a song called Touch Me Now, right now. Do you remember the rain? And that blew up all over Africa, and so that was kind of like the start of.
I know when it comes to the accent game, you can flip it up.
I can really flip it up.
Can we take it to the UK as we link your song?
Yeah.
Yolo.
Alright, bro, listen. Alright, so the next song you're about to hear right now is called Yolo, produced by DJ Kublon, video shot by Meji Alabi. Yeah, bro.
Come on, bro.
That's it.
Oh, really now? Come on.
I ain't really got much else to say, bro. You know what I mean? Like, just play the thing, innit?
I love it. You know, next I want to hear you when you're angry with that accent. Seyi Seyi, yolo. So we got Seyi Seyi in the building. What brings you to SA this time around?
Okay, well, you know what? I always come for different reasons. First of all, I had to do a bungee jump yesterday in Mpumalanga.
Yeah?
And I did the big swing bungee jump.
How did that
Girl, every
Did
time
you hold your head? Did you be like, Lord?
Listen, I'm surprised my wig didn't fall off. But the truth is, every time I think about what I did yesterday, for the past 24 hours, I feel sick. I get sick. Like my stomach.
Why? Why the
abs
bungee
are hurting
jumping?
me.
What was that for?
Well, I came out to South Africa with South African tourism, so
Nice.
your government actually, and
Yeah.
we're basically advertising how fantastic it is to come to South Africa and all the things you can do. So we're trying to basically get more West Africans and East Africans to come over and have fun out here. Amazing country, and also my media tour.
Yeah? Oh, you're on a media tour right now?
I'm actually on a media tour right now. I started the media tour just over a month ago in Uganda, then Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, and all those countries are we're going back to East Africa to do Tanzania, Rwanda.
Yeah.
We did Ghana, and now we're here in South Africa. About to kill it.
You know what?
Shout out to KK though.
With all the travel, and seeing all the countries that make up Africa and listening to all the different kinds of music, where do you think we are right now, status-wise, when we talk about continental music, Africa?
We're global.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Great times.
We are. This is I'm so happy that I'm part of this generation that is basically taking African music to the rest of the world.
Yeah.
But officially this time, you know, and it's great.
I think also social media has played a big part
Huge
in that.
part.
Massive,
huge
yeah.
Part,
Massive
huge
part.
part. Like seriously, I lived in London all my life, and I used to try and get a record deal every week, and it was just never happening. And then I moved to Nigeria, and like within 2 years of me living in Nigeria, I got a record deal with Island Records, like the biggest record labels. They signed Amy Winehouse, Bob Marley, Hosier. So like I'm to be part of that label, to be releasing my new single, and in a couple of weeks with them, featuring UG, shameless plug.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's amazing, and it's all because of social media.
It's crazy, because a lot of artists, and I mean, forget who I was talking to, that artists that, because you have parents that are based in Africa and you have African roots, but you grew up in London.
Yeah.
Now more and more artists that have
Everybody
Ghana
coming back
roots.
to Africa.
Everyone is just coming back to Africa and reclaiming their
Everybody,
roots.
I was like, yeah, I'm African, no, I'm African. But before I was like, what?
Yeah.
You're a waff, man. You're a waff, man. You eat it. You eat it, bro. What? You're African. Ooh, you're African. Nah, get away from me, man. Move, man. Now, it's like, yeah, what? I'm African, innit? I'm African, I'm proud. What, Whiskey, innit? David O, innit? What? Yeah, I'm African. I got a new single dropping soon. That's what you hear now. That's all you hear now.
It's amazing.
So, it's fantastic. And like I said, I feel very privileged to be part of this generation. I'm so happy with the way things have gone with my career. Some people may say it's moved slow. Some people may say, it's not, I haven't globally taken over yet or whatever.
Yeah.
But everything is timing. And
Absolutely.
yeah, everything is timing. And I feel like Stargirl, which is the label that I'm actually the CEO of, is doing pretty well for an independent label. Like, I'm not trying to blow my trumpet or anything, but there's more opportunity in Africa for a female solo artist or just a black artist.
Yeah.
Full stop.
Anything new from Shay this year when we talk about music? What should we look forward to apart from your record label?
Oh no, I'm the record label's old news. Everybody knows about that. But the main thing I want to put out there is YOLO YOLO. That's really been something that I'm most proud of this year.
Yeah.
The video was shot in Cape Town at Cape to Cuba, and it's directed by my normal guys, my usual guys, Meji Alabi. He
shot it in Cape Town.
We shot it in Cape Town.
Did you go to Cuba as well?
Cape to Cuba. We didn't go to Cuba. We made it look. We made it look like that. And
Okay.
he's the same person that shot Right Now and Murder and Crazy featuring Wizkid. So it just felt right to take YOLO YOLO to him to shoot that as well, and he did a fantastic job. In a couple of weeks, like I said, I believe it is July the 24th. I have a single coming out under Island Records.
Nice.
Featuring a guy called UG, and UG is a really
They did a song with Mr. Easy.
That's it. Him
Yes.
and Mr. Easy actually said they were part of the same house
Yeah.
at one point, I think. So but yeah, he's huge in the UK, and I'm really proud of the record.
I think the UK is literally our second home for Africans when it comes to how big the music is. Like,
definitely.
Afro beats are just massive.
Has taken over. And also I featured on a song with Malik Berry actually for a DJ group duo called Star One.
Yeah.
So it's called OK. And so the minute Diplo playlisted it, it was like it just went crazy. So something spiritual.
Yeah. Crazy times, man. Shay Shay, I wish I could have you for a longer time, but I have to let you go.
Thank you. You played YOLO. That's all I needed. Thank you.
Where do people get a hold of you? Social media, all those details.
Twitter, I am Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Everything is I am Seyi Seyi. I am SEYISHAY.
Trust me, man. You want to get to remember this name. She is definitely one for the books.
Yo, DJ Sabby, tell them what time it is, boy.
It's the best life. It's DJ Sabby, the best thing ever.